It is so unbelievably cold that I almost skipped filming a video for today, and I was like, I really don't have anything profound to say or just anything to say at all. But what I wanted to talk about is the fact that I keep seeing this around on social media that you have to pretty much break down the identities that you used as a means to survive in the world. And I did not really understand what people meant until I kind of had this epiphany last night when I was on a drive with my parents. When I was a little kid, I used to be very, very scared, and I don't know where did that fear come from, but I used to be very, very scared. And I remember that I have this really strong photographic memory still, even though I'm letting go of it, but there are still remnants. But as a kid, I had such a vivid imagination in the sense that I would be able to visualize anything I wanted. The thing is, because of my fear, I pretty much had all the roads that led to my home memorized like that in my brain. I could just close my eyes and see which road led where and how would I reach home. Because I think that as a kid, I had this fear of getting lost and not being able to come back home. So I would just always be extremely vigilant, and I would just always absorb my surroundings. And it was always coming from a place of fear that I don't want to get lost, but if I do, I need to have a backup plan. So most of my life, I lived like something wrong was going to happen, something bad was going to happen to me. So I need to have some sort of a backup plan. And I feel like because of the irony that life is, when you do that, you are essentially attracting more problems in your life, because now you identify as someone who always runs into problems and who needs various backup plans to solve those problems. And basically, problems are just never ending. That's the kind of person that I used to be until I realized that, holy shit, like that's what's attracting these problems into my life, because I'm identifying with that version of myself. Of course, long story short, when I became aware of it and when I simply became present and I sort of let go of that identity and I just kept telling myself that I am safe because I've always been safe. It's just the assumption that I wasn't. I felt a lot better. So, truly, the identities that you built in order to survive a particular situation or a person, it's time to break them down. And it's easier said than done, just like anything else in the world. And it takes a lot of repetition. And sometimes you'll feel like nothing is working until it all works at the end. So, keep going, just like I am.